To add Laybuy to Shopify, start by going to the Shopify App Store and searching for Laybuy. Click on the Laybuy app and then click the Add App button. You will be redirected to a page where you need to review the permissions that the Laybuy app requires to function properly. Review the permissions and then click the Install App button. Once the app is installed, you will be redirected to the Laybuy dashboard where you need to sign in or create a new account. If you already have a Laybuy account, enter your email address and password to sign in. If you do not have a Laybuy account, click on the Sign Up button and follow the registration process. After you have signed in to your Laybuy account, you will be redirected back to the Laybuy app in your Shopify store. Click on the Connect to Laybuy button to connect your Laybuy account to your Shopify store. You will then be redirected to a page where you need to configure the Laybuy payment settings. In the Laybuy payment settings, you can configure the payment options that you want to offer to your customers, such as the payment plans and the interest rates. You can also customize the Laybuy payment gateway to match your store's branding. Once you have configured the Laybuy payment settings, click the Save Changes button to save your changes. The Laybuy payment gateway will now be available as a payment option in your Shopify store. Your customers can now select Laybuy as a payment option during the checkout process and pay for their purchases in installments. It is also important to test the Laybuy payment gateway to ensure that it is working properly. You can do this by going to the checkout page of your store and selecting Laybuy as the payment option. Follow the checkout process and ensure that the payment is processed successfully. By following these steps, you can easily add Laybuy to your Shopify store and offer your customers a new payment option. This can help to increase sales and improve the overall customer experience.